Hello everyone, welcome to the Career Path series by Uplatz. In this video, we will discuss about the career path of a system administrator. How do system administrators balance the need for strong security with the necessity for user accessibility, especially in dynamic, high traffic environments? System administrators are often the unseen heroes of an organization, with studies showing that they are responsible for preventing an average of 3 to 5 major security breaches per year, saving companies millions of dollars in potential losses and downtime. Without any further delay, let's see what is the agenda of this video. We will cover introduction to the system administrator, roles and responsibilities, career development and opportunities, compensation and job market insights, conclusion and call to action. All right, so introduction to the system administrator. A system administrator is a professional responsible for managing, maintaining, and troubleshooting computer systems, servers, and networks within an organization. System administrators play a crucial role in ensuring that an organization's IT infrastructure runs smoothly and efficiently. They are tasked with keeping servers and workstations operational, secure, and up to date. With the increasing reliance on technology and cloud-based systems, the role of the system admin has expanded to include network management, security, and cloud infrastructure tasks, making it a crucial and dynamic career path. So, who is a system administrator? A system administrator is an IT professional who oversees the operation and maintenance of computer systems, servers, and networks in an organization. They ensure that the systems are running efficiently, securely, with minimal downtime. System admins handle the installation, configuration, and support of hardware and software, as well as perform system backups, apply patches, monitor performance, and troubleshoot issues. They work in diverse environments, from small business to large enterprises, often as part of an IT team or as a sole IT resource in smaller organizations. Unlike network administrators who focus specifically on network infrastructure, system admins typically manage and maintain a broader range of systems, including operating systems, databases, and hardware. Roles and responsibilities of a system administration. System administrators perform a wide variety of tasks to ensure the smooth operation of an organization's IT infrastructure. Their roles and responsibilities include system installation and configuration, setting up, installing, and configuring operating systems, software, and hardware for servers, workstations, and network equipment. Server maintenance, regularly maintaining and updating servers to ensure they are running optimally applying patches and updates, and ensuring compatibility with other systems. Monitoring system performance. Using monitoring tools to track the health and performance of systems, servers, and networks to detect and resolve issues before they affect the organization. Security management. Implementing and managing security measures, including firewalls, encryption, antivirus software, and user access controls to protect systems from cyber threats and unauthorized access. Backup and recovery. Ensuring that regular backups are made of critical data and that recovery procedures are in place in case of system failure and disaster. User account management. Creating, modifying, and deleting user accounts, assigning permissions, and ensuring that users have the necessary access to systems and data. Troubleshooting and support. Diagnosing and resolving hardware, software, and networking issues reported by users or detected through monitoring tools. Networking. Managing network devices such as routers, switches, and VPNs, ensuring proper communication between systems, and maintaining network security. Documentation. Maintaining detailed records of system configurations, troubleshooting steps, and incidents to ensure proper documentation for future reference and compliance. Automation. Automating repetitive tasks using scripts and tools to increase efficiency, such as automating system backups, updates, or deployment of new software. And they have some advanced responsibilities like security management, backup and recovery, user support, and training. Career development and opportunities. So, what are the career development opportunities and what are the skills required to become a system administrator? To be successful in a system administrator role, you need a diverse set of technical and soft skills. Operating systems knowledge, a strong understanding of both Windows and Linux, Unix operating systems, including installation, configuration, and administration. Networking skills, understanding of network concepts such as IP addressing, DNS, DHCP firewalls, VPNs, and routing protocols is crucial for managing networks and troubleshooting issues. Pursue certifications. Obtain entry-level certifications like the system administrator's specific certifications to validate your skills. Consider moving on to more specialized certifications like Microsoft, Linux, or AWS certifications as you gain experience. Learn scripting and automation. Start learning scripting languages like Bash or PowerShell to automate administrative tasks and increase your efficiency. Stay current with the industry trends. Now, what are the education and certifications? While a degree in computer science or a related field can be helpful, it is not always required to become a system administrator. Many professionals start with a strong foundation in IT and gain the necessary skills through certifications and hands-on experience. Common degrees can be bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, or a related field. Certifications are essential to demonstrate expertise in specific technologies and are often required for higher level roles. A beginner level certification that covers the basics of IT, a foundational certification that covers hardware, operating system, and basic troubleshooting, certifications that focus on networking concepts, including network administration and troubleshooting, certifications that cover essential security concepts, including network security, threat management, and cryptography. Certifications for administering Windows server environments, certification for Linux system administration, certification for Red Hat Linux environments, certificate for associate or certificate for Azure administrator. These are useful for working with cloud-based systems. Now, career pathways. So, how to start your journey? Becoming a system administrator is a fulfilling career choice for individuals interested in technology, problem solving, and infrastructure management. The demand for skilled system admins remains strong as organizations continue to rely on complex IT systems. By acquiring the right skills, certifications, and hands on experience, you can open the door to numerous opportunities in IT. The entry level positions, such as help desk technician or IT support specialist, serve as a stepping stone to become a system administrator. Long term career growth for system administrators can lead to positions such as chief information officer, chief technology officers, and others. So, what's the compensation and job market insights? What are the salaries of a system administrator? As you can see on the screen, the salaries can vary depending on the positions and the regions. The salary of a system administrator can vary based on factors such as experience, education, geographic location, and the size of the company. As of 2024, typical salaries for system admins can be $50,000 to $70,000 annually for the entry level professional, $70,000 to $90,000 annually for mid level professionals, $90,000 to $120,000 annually for senior level professionals. There can be some specialized roles like cloud system administrator, security systems administrator that can fetch you $100,000 to $140,000 annually. Current job market trends. The demand for skilled system administrators remains strong, driven by the increasing reliance on technology across all sectors and the need for robust IT security and infrastructure management. The future outlook for system administrators is promising, with projections for continued job growth driven by technological advancements like cloud computing, AI, and an increasing need for cybersecurity expertise. So, conclusion and call to action. Becoming a system administrator is a fulfilling career choice for individuals interested in technology, problem solving, and infrastructure management. The demand for skilled system admins remains strong as organizations continue to rely on complex IT systems. By acquiring the right skills, certifications, and hands on experience, you can open the door to numerous opportunities in IT. Begin your journey by focusing on foundational IT skills, obtaining certifications, and gaining hands on experience through personal projects or entry level roles. The career path of a system administrator offers growth and stability, with exciting opportunities to advance into specialized or leadership positions in IT. If you are passionate about technology and systems, take the first step towards becoming a system admin today. Thank you.